everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. Today I'm out on a customer's project and I gotta dig some stumps. So I thought I'd talk a little bit about digging stumps with a small machine. So, you know, these small machines like I have here can do a lot of what the bigger, you know, obviously not huge machines, but bigger machines can do. They're very, very capable. It just may take you a little bit longer to accomplish the task. So, that being said, we're gonna dig these out here, and I thought I'd talk a little bit about, you know, if you have to dig some stumps, you're gonna rent a machine, borrow a machine. Boy, it's getting hot in here. Hang on. It's actually cold out today. First fairly cold day we've had. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. So, if you're gonna rent a machine to dig stumps, one of these small machines like this one will easily outdig a 60 plus horsepower tractor loader backhoe, like a TLB. Those are very versatile machines, but not as capable at digging in terms of bucket breakout force. So this machine here actually will have more breakout force than, like I said, a 60 horse tractor loader backhoe. I got one root, there she goes. Okay, so if you're gonna rent something, I would rent a mini over a backhoe, unless you have something else to do with the backhoe that you absolutely need the front end loader part for it. But again, digging rocks, digging stumps, this is what I would rent. So we're not even running at full throttle right now. So the first thing to do here, you watch me kind of dig this one out. There's a hole down behind the stump, so that made it a little bit easier to get it out. But you want to dig around, because you're using a small machine, you want to dig all the way around that stump. You want to loosen all those roots that you've got. Now I got to back up a second here. So you want to go around and loosen all the roots. Now I didn't dig right in front of me, so I probably have a couple of roots still stuck right here in the front, so I'll kind of give those a quick dig just to help loosen anything up. Another key to digging with a smaller machine, rocks, stumps, whatever, is I just about got her out here. There she, come on. We'll give her a drop there, get some of the dirt off. Is the bucket size. So typically, everyday use, I run a 24-inch bucket. If I'm going to be digging stuff like this in front of you, I put the 16 on. I also use the 16-inch bucket for doing a lot of small drainage work, you know, 6-8-inch pipes, drain tile, things like that, because you don't need a huge ditch for a 6-inch pipe. But that will make a huge difference in your ability to dig out stumps. You've got the same amount of force spread out over a smaller area, so you're not trying to dig out so many roots at once. So that'll go a long way. I don't know where the next one is. Is there one here? I'm just kind of feeling my way around here a second. So yeah, having that smaller bucket is going to go a long way to making it easier to dig stumps out. And again, I already mentioned about digging all the way around the stump, and I'm going to show you a little trick here that if you're not used to operating these machines, something that can be a little bit helpful. Oh, this one's going to be a booger because there's a stump. There's two of these really close to each other, so we've got to break all these apart. So right now I can't pull my hydraulics to me anymore. So what you want to do is basically kind of push down a little bit, and you just want to curl the bucket right in position. See how it broke that out? It wouldn't pull towards me, but I can curl right in position and use that. Woo, see? So use your power wisely. Knowing how to operate the machine also goes a long way in being able to do things that a big machine can do, just a little slower. I should put that on a shirt. And once again, we're still only running, yeah, we're half throttle right now, so we're not even wide open while we're doing this. I'm keeping the throttle down a bit. It just keeps the noise down a little bit. So I still got to dig some in front of me here. But again, using the bucket curl while you're down on the ground there, kind of pushing down and curling, will give you that breakout force right there on the ground. So what it kind of does is it creates leverage with the back of your bucket and the ground. So the ground almost supports your bucket as it curls, and it allows all that breakout force to be applied, as opposed to trying to just pull and get your breakout force that way. So then you knock the dirt off of these babies. Perfect. All right, that one is good to go. Add another one to the collection. I'll have to walk back over there after with the machine and kind of level that out, because I don't think there's a stump back over there. There's one right here to our left. So now when you're digging with a Mini that has a blade on it, I mean, it may seem like common sense, but keep the blade in front of you because it will help support the machine. So when you start really pulling and using all the breakout force of the machine, it's going to help keep you from tipping over so much forward, really allowing you to utilize the hydraulic power that you've got available. Ooh, hit a big root right there. So I'll have to work out a little bit. So if you dig, oh, hang on. I don't know where these came from. We'll have to toss these out of the way here. I didn't dig those out. So when you start digging around stumps, if you're digging close and you find that you can't make much progress, can't make any headway, you might be a little bit too close to the stump, and the roots are obviously the biggest in diameter and the strongest right there, so move out away from the stump a little bit. Most trees have 3 to 4 main roots coming out from them. You can see I just dug one up there, and that's what we're trying to break loose, and that's what's going to allow this stump to come out. There's still one hanging on there, right there it went. Now some trees, I know that's the downfall to a narrow bucket, but I noticed from watching some guys down south, I mean even up in the north here some too, but a lot of the trees down there have really deep tap roots. So a tap root runs basically right underneath the tree itself, and those obviously are, you really can't dig them out. So now what I'm trying to do is dig out the root that's on the back side. I've gotten the 2 on the left and right side, but there is one on the back holding the stump that I'm digging. So I'm going to try it here. If I can get it, that's great. If not, I will actually move the machine over. I think I got it. You can also move your machine and come sit over here and dig next to it a lot easier. But I'm just kind of being lazy and trying to do it this way. Tiniest bit. There's got to be some more roots here somewhere. Well, I didn't dig the one one in the front yet. And there may still be something on the back side there. And there she blows. So I still got the root in front of me holding the stump. So let's back up here and we'll clean all this, clean all this junk out of here so we can find the roots in the front. See, there's one right here. Okay, well I guess we're just gonna break the thing in half then. That's fine. No problem. Knock some stuff off, and there we go. All right, I gotta fill the hole in. So that's pretty much it for this video here, guys. I just thought I'd talk a little bit, probably way too long, about how to best utilize this small machine for doing these bigger jobs. So any questions, comments, other helpful tips, leave it in the comment section down below. I appreciate it, and other viewers will appreciate it as well. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon for more highly entertaining content here on DeHaven Family Farm. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and I sure hope to see you on the next video.